Hello and welcome to Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So here are the headlines for the day. Bitcoin's price struggles. Corporate crypto adoption gains traction. And Ethereum's next upgrade, all in today's Coin Monitor. But before that, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and let's get started. So Bitcoin reached its highest price in over 3 months, peaking to $1,05,720, but struggled to maintain its bullish momentum, dipping to $1,02,000 shortly after. This decline came following a temporary easing of the US-China tariff conflict. A 90-day truce resulted in reducing the import tariffs. And the lack of investor confidence near the $1,05,000 mark for the Bitcoin can partly be attributed to the diminishing demand for the riskier assets such as the cryptocurrencies. And investors seem to view the stock market as a primary beneficiary of the US trade-China deal, and hence we are seeing a surge in the US stock indices. Lower tariffs suggest increased revenues and the potential profit growth for the companies, making stocks more attractive. That's what the analysts have said. And meanwhile, Bitcoin's momentum has also been affected by its 25% surge over the last 30 days, while the S&P 500 futures rose just 7% and gold stayed muted or flat. Speaking about the Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, is gearing up for its next major upgrade, the Fusaka. Set for the late 2025, the update aims to reduce costs associated with the Layer 2 and the validator's operations, making a key step towards improving scalability and efficiency for the Ethereum, and hence there is a lot of optimism. However, the Ethereum price was down with the market trend lower by 2%, hovering close to around $2,457. Turning to the US-based crypto ETFs, on May 12, the spot Bitcoin ETFs witnessed a net inflow of just $5.2 million, while the spot Ethereum ETF experienced a net outflow of $17.6 million. Despite profit-taking across the markets, Ripple's XRP witnessed a 4.5% surge, trading close to around $2.5. In contrast, DOGE dropped by over 7%, Cardano's ADA token fell by 3%. Other notable declines including the SUI, TON, Polkadot's DOT, Chainlink, each were trading lower by 5%. Speaking about the stablecoins, Tether USDT also crossed a new milestone on May 12th, reaching a market cap of $150 billion, underscoring the growing adoption of the stablecoins in this cryptocurrency universe. And the positive development front, corporate crypto adoption seems to be on the uphill, with Michael Saylor, Strategy CEO of Strategy, announcing the acquisition of 13,390 bitcoins, bringing its total holding to 568,840 bitcoins. Separately, Janover made a substantial move by purchasing $23.6 million worth of Solana token, bringing its holding to nearly 6 lakh SOL. And in the other corporate news, GD Culture Group, with a market cap of around $30 million, revealed plans to sell up to $300 million in share to buy the Bitcoin and the Trump token. Similarly, Amber International Holding, valued at just around $900 million, said it would allocate $100 million to a crypto basket including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, BNB and SUI. And separately, in a positive development, Coinbase Global made headlines with announcement that it would join the S&P 500 index on May 19th. The news caused the coin shares to rise 8.8% in after hours, trading to around $225.4. Going forward, if the US CPI numbers comes in the lower than expected potentially for the third consecutive time, it could be bullish for the Bitcoin. That's what the analysts have said, signaling potential rate cuts for the Federal Reserve in 2025, which could boost risk assets. On the other hand, a higher than expected CPI could be bearish, realigning inflation concerns and strengthening the dollar, which could put pressure on the Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies. That's all there is in this Coin Monitor. So Manoj Dara signing off. Thank you.